Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. In this video, we'll be discussing the NABARD Grade A 2020 paper. We'll be discussing the good attempts in each section and expected cutoff for 2020 paper. We have gathered questions from EduCare students. So I will be discussing the questions as well. If you find any mistakes in the questions, you can let in the comment section and we can rectify it accordingly. Let us analyze the NABARD Grade A examination 2020 paper. I have taken input from the EduCare 247 students. So if you find any error or if you have different opinion on our analysis, you can let us in our comment section. We can rectify accordingly. English paper was at moderate level. So if one has attempted 30 plus, it will be counted as a good attempt. Reasoning paper was at easy level, but one puzzle was confusing, so 17 plus attempt will be counted as a good attempt. Quant was also very easy, so 17 plus attempt will count as a good attempt. Computer knowledge was relatively tougher compared to other years, so 15 plus attempt will be a good attempt. General awareness was very easy. Most of the questions were from the February current affairs, so 16 plus attempt will be counted as a good attempt. Economic and social issues were very normal paper, like questions were government schemes, reports, budget, economic survey and basic current affairs were asked. There were questions on PM Asa Yojana, Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana, all things we have covered. There are questions on HDI index, there are questions on World Bank growth prediction, economic survey growth prediction. So very simple questions were there. So 35 plus attempt will be a good attempt. In ARD section, there were more static questions. More than 50% questions were static. So 30 plus attempt will be counted as a good attempt. So it was overall paper of the NABARD. So if one has attempted 160 plus, it will be a really good attempt and cutoff will be around 120 to 130. So this is EduCare prediction for NABARD Grade A examination 2020. The cutoff should be between 120 to 130. Let us discuss the general awareness questions of NABARD Grade A examination 2020. So first question is, who among the following was the captain of under 19 Indian cricket team which represented India in the 2020 World Cup? The answer is Priyam Garg. This question was there in the paper. The another question was, which of the following is the bulletproof jacket recently developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center? The answer is Kavach. Bhabha Kavach it is called, and it has been developed by BARC. This has been provided to Indian Army. So this was the question in your paper. The another question was, BIMSTEC field training exercise of second BIMSTEC disaster management exercise of the flood rescue was held at which of the following city? The answer is Puri. Some of the students are saying Puri was not in the options but Bhubaneswar was, so they have marked the Bhubaneswar. But this exercise held at Puri. This is the right answer. I was not in the paper, so I don't know Bhubaneswar was in the option or Puri was not. The another question was, fifth Pulse conclave held at which of the following place? The answer is Lonavala. This was very simple question. The another question was, which year will be observed as International Year of Millet? The answer is 2023. United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization has decided to observe 2023 as International Year of Millets. This was the question. The another question was, who among the following won the Australian Open men's single title in 2020? The answer is Novak Djokovic. So this was the answer from the Australian Open. The another question was, 6th World Congress on Rural and Agriculture Finance was held at which of the following place? The answer is New Delhi. The another question was, a J warrior exercise was conducted between India and which of the following country? The answer is UK. You can check your answers. The another question was, 23rd Africa Union Summit took place in Addis Ababa. It is the capital of which of the following city? The answer is Ethiopia. This was the question in your paper. The another question was, World Health Organization named new coronavirus as? COVID-19. So World Health Organization has named the coronavirus as COVID-19. The another question was name of gunshot locator discovered by India. The answer is Parth. Indian Army College of Military Engineering in a partnership with private firm developed the cheapest gunshot locator device that is called Parth. So this was the question. The another question was who among the following is the top profitable PSUs in 2018-19? The answer is ONGC, Indian Oil and NTPC were the top 3 profitable PSUs in 2018-19, whereas BSNL, Air India and MTNL was the highest loss maker. The another question was Marcelo Rebelo visited India and he is the president of which of the following country? The answer is Portugal. The another question was President Ramnath Kovind released the mobile app of Red Cross Society of India in which of the following city? The answer is Hyderabad. The another question was Kamya Karthikeyan has set a record of becoming the youngest in the world to summit Mount Aconcagua. She studied in which city school? The answer is Mumbai. This was relatively a tough question because generally we care about the name and the age, but NABARD has asked about the detail of the school. So it is a tough question and it was the only tough question in GA paper. The another question was which movie got Best Picture Award at Oscar 2020? The answer is Parasite. South Korean film Parasite has been named the Best Picture at Oscar 2020 and it is the first non-English language film to take the Oscar award. The another question was R.K. Pachori passed away recently. He is related to which field? The answer is environment. R.K. Pachori was the former chairman of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and he died recently. He was 79-year-old. Pachori was the founder and chief executive of the Energy Resource Institute, TERI. In 2020, he was elected chairman of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. The another question was who among the following got 55th Gyanpith Award? The answer is Akitham Achutan Nambuthiri. He was a poet from Kerala and he got 55th Gyanpith Award. Another question was which of the following company is establishing data center in Hyderabad? The answer is Amazon. Amazon Cloud Computing Wing, AWS, Amazon Web Services is establishing 2 data center in Hyderabad. It was in very much news, so NABARD has asked this question. The another question was UNESCO World Heritage Site Huruji is located in which of the following country? And it is related to Buddhism. The answer is Japan. This was the question. This was also a tough question, but it was in the news, so one is expected to know the answer. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Like, share and let us in the comment section if you have put some error or some factual mistakes in our analysis. Thank you and happy learning.